chocolate mango egg. So it's a white chocolate mousse with a liquid mango center. On there we're going to put some soil on the plate, present the egg with a little mango compote, mango gel, some microwaved sponge, and some little marshmallows. So we're going to start with the soil. Take brown sugar, Nescafé, vanilla. We're going to heat that. Gelatine that we soaked.
Oh, I see our molds over here. Woo woo!
Where?
Partially.
We're purple, bro.
Left, yep.
Right here. We are
I
in
saw it.
the
I
back.
saw it.
This is an induction burner. It's a magnetic thing. You see these on yachts. There's not flames, and they only work with certain metal. Welcome back to Shapeshifters. We are reactivating our Chicago Culinary Effects channel, which is the food shaping business that I own. And as we upload videos about that, I'm going to always put in a short little video on the Shapeshifters site that talks about that video real quick. It's only meant to be a teaser to start directing some of our traffic that's interested in food shaping over to Chicago Culinary Effects. Every week you'll see a little pop-up about food shaping. They're fun videos, right?
Oh yeah.
And then you'll get the Hand-ufacturing, the Pro Mold Maker Reacts, and whatever else we sprinkle in there. So
I have to find something that's compact, easy to work with, easy to clean. One showstopper, one mold could fit on one sheet pan, and I can use it very fast and do the 10 showpieces in one day. You know, I love to do showpieces, but still, I say I have to find an idea to save time.